Hello, my name is Tony Andrews. I'm the Global Product Manager for InfoAsset at Innovise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to your InfoAsset Online web service, how to then log in, and then how to navigate to the workspace that you have been configured to use. So let's get started. InfoAsset Online is supported on all of the major internet browsers except for Internet Explorer. My recommendation is once you have the URL to your web service, you save that as a bookmark, just like you might save Google Maps or google.com. So you can see that I've got a number of bookmarks on my web browser. I'm using Chrome and I've got one labeled InfoAsset Online. So if I click on that, you can now see I've got a number of web services that I can connect to. The one that I'm interested in here is InfoAsset Online Web Test Dev. You can see the URL published below that. So I'm going to click on that, and that will then launch InfoAsset Online and provide you with the login page. And as you can see, it says sign in using your Windows username and password. So I'm going to sign in using mine, given to me by my IT department at Innovise. So my login is tony.andrews, and then obviously your Windows login password. And click on login, it then shows that you're logging in, and in my case I'm then presented with a list of workspaces that have been configured by your systems administrator and that have been made available to you. And in this case I have a long list of workspaces available to me. I can click on the left hand side and it shows me those list of workspaces. Then I need to navigate to the one that I want to use. So I've got one called Whitbell that I'm going to choose. Clicking on Whitbell opens up the map and zooms to the exact location where the network data is. And in this case you can see that I have a theme set on the geoplan on the map that shows my manholes and my pipes. Okay, so this concludes the first video in a series of videos providing some educational material for InfoAsset Online. In this video I recommended setting up bookmarks to your InfoAsset Online web service. I showed you how to log in using your Windows standard login, and then I showed you how to navigate to the workspace that has been made available to you. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you. Bye-bye.